today we have a very important job role, that is operations head. It is considered as the topmost job profile. So regarding that, let's discuss some of its responsibilities and the requirements. Firstly, you need to be able to work for 50-20 hours a day, and there would be hardly any breaks. And yes, you can have food, but only after the associates are done with it. So what say do you have in this?
Sorry, come again?
I said, what are your opinion about this condition?
Opinion about what? Like, didn't have a break, a single break whole day?
Yes, for like, will you be able to work for 15-20 hours a day? There would be hardly any breaks, and yes, you can have lunch only after the associates are done with it.
So since I've come up from a corporate background wherein we used to work after odd hours, like after the regular working hours also. So for a smaller time, it is okay to work in this long hours without having short breaks or so. But you cannot do it on a regular basis. It also affects one's health, like if you don't take short breaks or sitting over screens for a longer time.
I guess I believe that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. But I would like to give it a try and give it my best and ensure that I would not work for 15-20 hours. I mean, I would not let my day carry forward to the next day, and I would try and finish out the work which I think should be done in that day itself.
Okay, very well. So let's move on to more crucial part. So I would say that there would be no holidays. Your workload would rather increase, and you would need to give your life to the job. And lastly, about the pay package, I would say that you would be given no salary in this job. You would just be gaining love from your family and team.
See, it's okay to work like giving back to the society, like not getting anything, but at least you should have that status, to give back to the society. So I'm on my getting phase first, and then once I get all the things, and then I'll be, paying back to the society. And also I'm already sharing some percentage of for the wellness of society or social services as well.
No, I'm not liking this point. Because as I'm a mother, so obviously I want a work-life balance. So with this type of typical rigid profile, it won't be feasible for me to give ample time to my family, to myself, to get a me time.
So I think I don't think if I can mention the story. I've heard of this kind of story, but yes, no, there are people around us who give us more without getting any money. So as a woman, as a mom, I think anything that the duty calls for, we should be there. So yes,
I believe good work deserves good recognition, and I think in today's world, monetary terms are the key motivator for any employee to continue working with a company. So I would give it a second thought to being paid what I'm worth for.
Okay, so like for you to be sure, I would say that there are already billions of people working for this job without salary.
Okay.
Yeah, there are billions of people all over the world.
But
and I think
there are billions. There are billions.
You're familiar with them.
But I'm not a billion people. I'm something different. I'm sure you've approached me based on the profile that you've seen, and I assure you I'm not the billion people, and I believe that I am deserving of the work that I would be performing, and I believe that I would deserve recognition.
So on this note, I would say that you being one of them, one of those billion peoples, and we and all over the world, people are surrounded by those billion peoples. And I would rather say that, yes, there are billion people. Those are moms all over the world that deserve this criteria, fit this criteria, and they are valid for this job.
I
on this
agree.
note, we would like to wish you a very, very happy Mother's Day to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shubhi. That's great. So great. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, I think we can have a healthy work life balance if we make a schedule. Because there are certain things in my personal life where my son needs me, I have to be there. There are certain things in my VA profile which I have to do only. I cannot delegate that work to somebody else, to a colleague. I am the only responsible person for that. As a mother, there are few things I am the only responsible person for that. So for that, I think there should be a schedule, there should be a timetable. When I know that, for example, I can give you an example. When I know that my son has a PTM, I have to attend it anyhow, so I'll manage my work accordingly. If I have a Zoom call, like I have a call with you guys, so I've managed my work accordingly, that this time it's fixed for Ritika and I have to be there. So I've managed my son according to that. So I think we have to be a bit proactive, and we should respect our personal life same as we respect our professional life.
It's just that you have to like it's being a VA, it's already a full-fledged job. Like you are already working 8 hours a day or 9 hours a day. It's just that you are working at the comfort zone of your home, or being with your family, or being around your, like, just a room distance of your kids. So it's just that I maintain the same routine that I follow working in the traditional office space. Like I wake up in the early morning, finish my all household chores, preparing breakfast and getting ready my kids and all. And then I sit on my chair in the morning at 9:30 and then, starts working. So it's just that it does not make any difference, working in the traditional space or working in a like home environment. It's just that you are like just a room distance far away from your family or from your kids if they require in an emergency or something.